Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making sure OBS and your GPU drivers are updated, because rendering quirks often come from outdated software. Once done, open the scene with the mirrored display and add or select the display capture source. Next, right-click the source and choose Transform, then Edit Transform. This is where you'll control flipping and offsets. Make the initial change now so you can see live results. Doing this early prevents chasing the wrong settings later and makes troubleshooting faster. Now focus on correcting the flip and scale. In Edit Transform, set rotation to 0 degrees and inspect scale. Fractional scales create blur, so switch to integer or exact fractions like 0. 5 when intended. If the image is mirrored, toggle horizontal flip. If you have a duplicated or projector setup, flipping can make things worse, so verify your monitor arrangement. After flipping, refine position and size to match the canvas. Snapping to whole pixels prevents soft edges, and keep finish by double-checking the source is capturing the intended monitor. Choose monitor 1 or 2 explicitly in the source properties. Then run a short test recording or stream to confirm the mirror issue is resolved. Sometimes live preview differs from output. If you still see mirrored output, try window capture for that application, run OBS as administrator, or remove and re-add the display capture source to reset internal settings. One key troubleshooting tip. If frames look inverted only in preview, restart OBS before deeper changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.